Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Koma Inu token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Koma Inu. Koma is a community-driven DOS-themed meme token built on the BNB chain, aiming to foster decentralization and support charitable causes within its ecosystem. Community meme token, a DOS themed cryptocurrency powered by community engagement and meme energy, positioning itself as a protector of the BNB chain, emphasizing of security and decentralization, features a re-announced contract, phased liquidity logs, and multiple audits to promote a secure and transparent environment. Charity and ecosystem focus aims to make a positive impact by supporting charitable incentives, including those settles as part of its core mission. Koma Inu project institution rating is 4.2, and this project audited by Cybercorp. Koma Inu token total supply is 605.95 million and circulating supplies around 468.31 million. Koma token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.